Today we're going to evaluate the infinite product. 3 to the 1/3 times 9 to the 1/9 times 27 to the 1/27th and so forth. So try it on your own and let me know if you solve it, or you can just watch me solve it. Okay, so let's call this product P. Okay, let's rewrite this. So P is equal to 3 to the 1/3. And then instead of 9 and 27 in the next terms, let's write it as 3 to a power. So that's 3 squared to the 1/3 squared times 3 to the 3rd to the 1/3 to the 3rd and so forth. And we could rewrite this as 3 to the 1/3 times 3 to the 2/3 squared times 3 to the 3/3 to the 3rd, and so forth. Okay, so each term in our product has a base of 3. So let's take the log base 3 of both sides. So we have log base 3 of P is equal to the sum of these exponents. So that's the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of n over 3 to the n, right? You can see this would be 1/3 to the first, 2/3 squared, 3/3 to the 3rd, and so forth. So we want to evaluate this sum. Okay, and so let's consider the function f of x is equal to the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of n, x to the n minus 1 over 3 to the n. Okay, and when we plug in x equals 1, we get the sum that we're interested in. It's not hard to see that this function, the integral of this function, is equal to the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of x over 3 to the n power, right? And this, I guess, plus c. So let's put a, you don't really have to worry about the c. This is equal to x over 3 over 1 minus x over 3. I guess plus c again. We can't forget that plus c. Okay? And so we could take the derivative of this function to get f. So f is equal to the derivative of this function, which is the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. Okay, and we could simplify this, and then we're going to just plug in x equals 1, and that's going to give us our answer. So this simplifies to 3 over 3 minus x squared. And now we know that log base 3 of our product is this function evaluated at x equals 1. And f of 1 is 3 over 2 squared, so 3/4. So P is equal to 3 to the 3/4, which is equal to the 4th root of 27. Not too bad. So let me know if you got it. This is a pretty classic trick if you have an infinite product, taking the log of both sides and then treating it as a sum. All right, thanks for watching. See you later.